Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel VBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to create a one small application. That small application is really going to be very helpful, and that application we are going to build using Python, the Streamlit library, and apart from the Streamlit, that the another library as well that we will use. So let me show you the first what is the project. Or okay, so what we can do, let me click. So this is the icon by the name of application on my desktop. If I will double click on it, okay, if I will double click on it, so my application will get open. So it is getting open. Let's wait for it. Okay, and so it is showing as lock and unlock the multiple files. For example, I am having these are the files, okay, which are completely unlocked. Okay, this is something which is unlocked. I can do anything. But if I would like to lock all the files in one go with the one password, right, how we can do that? So what we can do, let's click on the browse files first. Just select a control A and click OK. All files now has been uploaded on the application, right, one by one. Okay, you can look like this. Okay, something like that. What do we want to do? Okay, I would like to lock it, and I can enter the password 123x. Okay, if I'll click on the proceed ahead, it will lock my all the files and it will save with a different name in the same folder. So let me show you with the same in the same folder, the same workbook. So here in the as a prefix, it is written as a protected data one xlx, I mean file name, right? If I will double click here, if I will open the file, you look, I am not able to do anything. It is completely locked, right? Now if I would like to unlock all these files in one go, I have no password, I have forgotten everything, but I would like to unlock all these files in one go. How we can do that? So simply go and select the unlock and simple proceed ahead. File is already selected. No, here again we have to select the file, browse, select all the files of unprotected, not this one. We have to delete it first. Let's delete all the unprotected file first. Okay, now these are the file which were protected. I would like to unprotect it. I have no password. I can remove this password. You look, I am removing this password. Okay, and click on browse, select all the file, okay, which has been protected. Click OK. I would like to unlock it. Proceed ahead. All files have been unlocked. Let me show you. So here as a it is coming as unprotect. This is the file name. Okay, you look, you have to manage the file name, and we can also replace with the same, but I have not replaced because I wanted to show you that we do have a existing file, but another file is getting created, and that is something which is encrypted, okay, as per the password given by the user. And again, if we want to unlock them with no password, okay, so if we will do it very manually, so it is really going to be very big tasks for us, one by one. But you look through Python with the one small application, how easy now it is, okay, to unlocking the files, okay, with no password in just a second. Okay, so let me delete everything first. Now how we can develop this application, how we can develop it, let's do it together. I am creating here one file. The file name I would like to give here as Excel or Python. Okay, rename it. Now here four library we will have to import Streamlit as S3, import pandas as PD, from OpenPyXL, import load workbook. Okay, import operating system. Okay, here first give uh, let's give the application name st, right, st dot page. I would like to give it here as, okay, in files protecting application. Okay, and layout I would like to keep here as white. Okay, this is first line. After that, second line I would like to give the header as Welcome to the Akash application. Akash application. Okay. After that, what we can do? We can do very very simple thing. But yes, most of the thing that we will have to look at. Okay, we will have to look at that. What are the codes which are really really very important? So everything is very case sensitive here. Okay, so that is something which we will have to be very very careful, right? So what we can do, we can start writing it. So what we can do simply now st, not st, file, st file uploader, please upload your files. Okay, and here we have to accept multiple files, so right here multiple, accept multiple files, true. This is very simple. Okay, and after that what we want to do, so here I would like to give here two options. Select st dot radio. What do you want to do? Okay, give here as lock, we want to lock it or unlock it. Unlock, that's it. Okay, here I think here we have some problem. Okay, okay, lock and unlock. Okay, everything is good to go so far. Now what we can do, st application files, we will have to be very careful because this is something which is very very case sensitive. What do you want to do? Lock and unlock. All right. Okay, here if st dot password as well, right? st dot input, text input, please enter your password. Okay, if we want to lock it, so what password we will have to, with that, with which password we will have to encrypt the file, that is something which will have to store by the user somewhere, right? That's what actually we have done here. Next, if st dot button, okay, proceed ahead or whatever, or you can say like, okay, run, that's it. After that what we can do, we can read the workbook name as well. Okay, so if if we have selected here as, log, then what should happen? It should be like dt dot load workbook. We will have to load the workbook, so that workbook will be here as x, not x. It will have to run the loop for x in file, because in the file we have a multiple, because we have uploaded the multiple files, and those multiple files now has been stored in the file variable, which is here. All right, that is what we have written on the top, on the third line. And after that what we need to do, we are now running the one loop for next loop. Now what we are doing here, we are reading the, every workbook, load workbook by x. Okay, and after that for sh in dt dot sheet names, okay, we have to read the sheet name as well. Okay, sheet names, sheet names. Okay, after that dt dot sh, it should be like protection, sheet is equal to true, dt sh. Okay, password, password, and password will be in your variable pss. Okay, after that what we need to do, we have to define here one path. Okay, save path by the name of save path, os dot path join, os path expand user. So here I have to give the path where my all the files should get saved. So I do have a folder in on my desktop by the name of AI, and inside the AI I have a folder, the name is data. Okay, in this folder I would like to save my all the files. Next, what we need to do, dt.save, dt.save, save path. After that, it should be like protected. Okay, and after that, x dot name. Okay, this is done. dt dot close. This is done. Okay, if sorry, and here message box should be st dot success. All files have been logged. Okay, if select is unlock, make sure spelling is correct. Unlock, then it should be like what we can do for x in file dt dot load workbook x, for sh in dt dot sheet names, dt dot sheet names, and after that what we can do, dt dot sh. Okay, sh dot protection dot sheet is equal to false. That's it. And now what we can do, we can save this file dt dot dt, not dt. What we can do, we can simply just copy these names like this, copy it, and now come here and control V. Okay, that's it. So this is the application, this is the complete code, guys. Okay, and this code is really going to be very very helpful, and that is something which is really going to be, it's going to be make your work very very easy. So what exactly we need to, let me first test it, is it really working or not. So everything is done so far. Now how we need to execute it. Okay, so in okay, right now what is this, so right now what is the problem here, the problem is this file, the name which I have given here is Python. This is something which is which is saved in ipny in the extension. I will have to save it first, as a .py extension, then we will run this file. So manually, many times I have shown you. So again, let's execute it manually. cd desktop, cd ai, cd codes. In this folder I having my file, the name is this script we write to convert, sorry, to convert this file into the Python extension. Save it. Okay, save it, paste it here. Okay, and now we have to run it by writing streamlit run. Okay, and replace it with py. Now we are running it. Okay, once we run, so now this is our application. You look, file protecting application. This is what we have written, file protecting application. Okay, everything is completely same. Browse. Now let's select our all files and open. All the files now have been uploaded successfully. You look great. We have to lock it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 x, run. Okay, now let's see whether it is working or not. It says something is not good, true is not defined, because true is, because everything is case and case sensitive, right? And here we have made one mistake, which is we have written the true in this way, so it should be like true, because everything is case sensitive, that's why we missed this part. Now again, okay, just copy and let's convert the same into the Python extension first. cd desktop, cd ai, cd codes. Okay, Jupyter, and we convert script and script, and after that we have to run it by the name streamlit.run py and run it. Now let's see. Again we have launched our application here. Select all the file. We need to lock it. Run. We clicked on run. Let's see. All files have been logged. Let me go back. So this is file. let me check whether it is logged or not. I am trying to writing here Akash. It says that the cell or the chart you are trying to change is protected chat. We cannot do that. But now I also have forgotten the password. I am no longer remember it, right? What was the password that I have applied to logging? Okay, now I would like to unlock all these files again. So what we can do, we can simply click on unlock. I can remove the password. Okay, run. Once I run, no, so we have to again select all the files, right? So that is a problem. Let me select all the file and open my all the files which were protected, and those files I have uploaded on the application. Now I would like to unlock. Let me click on the run. As soon as I clicked on the run, it says all files have been logged. I think message box we have not changed. It should be like unlock, no? So for the above one is lock and bottom one should be as unlocked, which we missed, right? And let me save it. Now let me see whether it is done or not. It says the file name which we are renaming, right? That is something which is not correct. It should be like unprotect. Okay, it should be like unprotect. Now let me save it. Now everything should be working fine. Let me delete everything again and show you the demo again. Okay, let me save it and run it again. Okay, go back to your PowerShell. So for that I already have my one extension. Let me show you. For example, we have developed this application, but again and again we cannot convert the file, okay, in the Python, and we will run it manually. No. So for that I already have created the one shortcut here. So what we can do, we can convert into the text first, and let me open it. I can simply, replace this path wherever I have the code. We have to replace this. For example, if I will attach this file in the description box, if you will require, do comment me, I will attach it. But as of now, I'm not going to attach it. If you would require it, do let me know. I will upload it and you can download it and do the practice accordingly, right? So for example, this is the path of my system. If in case I will give you, okay, and you will download it, replace it with the folder where you have saved the code, okay, which I will share with you. And after that you have to replace this name as Python. My file name is Python, and replace here and replace here. That's it. And save and close. So again and again I don't need to go and do this activity. No, let me close it. Now I can simply run. Click on it, not click on it. We have to convert the same into the bet extension, bat. Okay, now we can simply double click on it. As soon as we will double click, it will start running our file. Okay, this is very simple and user friendly. Okay, so if somebody doesn't know, you look, our file now has been launched. Let me select all the files. Okay, I would like to lock 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and X and run. As soon as I did it, my all the file now has been logged. Now let me see. I would like to protect it. Okay, now I would like to check whether the password is really applied or not. It is protected and we have clicked on unprotected, right? So where is the problem? Let me see the code as well. PSS. Okay, 123 X, right? Please enter your password. Now if we would like to unlock everything, we have to re-upload all the files, right, which we have logged. We have to log delete it first, and let's unlock it. We have uploaded and run. My all the files now would be unlocked. Here, look. As you know, earlier we were not able to change it, right? If you will come here and if you will click, and you are not able to do it. But again, what we have done now, when you will click what protected data for, right, unprotected data for, if you will click here, so you will be able to see that you are able to write everything. So this is the application which will help you to, to save your time and to log the multiple files and to unlock the multiple files using the application which is Streamlit. And here we are giving the user friendly, the interface as well. UI is also very good, right? You look, this is very user friendly, and simply the user need to click here and there and do there and achieve their work what exactly they are looking for. Okay, and this code I will attach once you will request me in the comment box, and I will share it with you, right? And as of now I'm just only uploading the video. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.